Hello, influencers. How are we doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me. Happy Sunday, people. How are you doing? Happy weekend. How are you doing, people? Thank you so much. Thank you, all of my subscribers. Actually, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, this is No Host Bad with IT. This is where we say the way it is. No apology to any bagger. Actually, I call my subscribers influencers. Yeah, so if you want to join the family of influencers, because I know you are influencing your world in whatever way you can, in your own little way. So click that red button and then put on the notification bell so that you will get to know anytime I drop a video. You know, you'll be the first one. YouTube will tell, just drop the video. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much for doing that. You know, I told you, God is about to do new things. God is doing new things in His church. The church needs to be cleansed. Yeah. For those of you who are in support of Feyi Daniels. Yeah. So, you know, I told you this case will be exhumed. Yes, it will. The rape case, the alleged, he allegedly. But what I want you to take home is that he's not the only pastor in Lagos. For those of you who are saying, hey, you want to bring down the man of God, I don't know Feyi Daniels, and I don't want to know him. So he will be talking to the court very soon. Yeah, thank God. Thank you so much. Well, I don't want to mention the name for now. So Feyi Daniels will be appearing in court. I just show you that so that you don't know what Google is. That is Punch newspaper. The news is on Twitter. The news is on Google. Actually, somebody drew my attention to it this morning. All right. So the story has it that, let me just read it to you so that you see. Say that the Lagos State Directorate of Public Prosecution, you know, he will be dealing with Lagos State government because Lagos State government will be dealing with them. Okay, so the Commissioner of Police sent court advice to him. That is the new Commissioner of Police in Lagos. All right, so I just want to use this opportunity to congratulate the CP Idowu Omohua. I hope I pronounced that well. He was just appointed. That is the notice that was served Feyi Daniels. Whew. So I want to say here that this case, as it were, for the commissioner is new on that desk. I hope I'm seeing this case as a litmus test for him, you know, to test his honesty and capability. Yeah. So the story had it that this Lagos State Director of Public Prosecution, Ministry of Justice, has ordered the arraignment of a Lekki-based pastor, Bishop Feyi Daniels, over the alleged rape of an assistant pastor of the church and another lady too. Daniel is the founder of Irene Christian Ministry, Ikota, Lekki, and has been trending on social media for making prophecies about outcome of elections. You see, I told you, prophecy will not take anybody anywhere. So, so the Punch gathered that the case against him was being investigated at the Force Criminal Investigation Department in Ikoyi, Lagos, where at least 2 of the victims had made statements. Or those of you are saying they are destroying your man of God. Now, the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Response Team has also been involved in this matter. So this report you can, that's why I show you the title is in Punch. In fact, it's in Punch on Twitter and all that, so that you can check it out yourself. So the reporter, the reporter of this article contacted Feyi Daniels in order for him to tell his own side of the story, you know, in order for the story to be balanced. But the reporter said he immediately when when he told him about why he was calling him, Feyi cut off the phone. He cut off the phone, and then I'm just summarizing this report because I don't, you know, I don't like doing long videos so that I won't waste your time. So the reporter, that's the CP, yeah, CP Idowu Omohua, and that's your bishop there. So when he cut off the phone, the reporter now texted him, sent him a text. This is the detail of how what I'm asking. This is what we want to know, and all that and all that. And Feyi, after that, got his lawyer to call Punch and threaten the reporter that he was going to deal with the reporter. Yeah. So, and then I don't know, he is busy. The court, the prosecutor said he has a case to answer, victims of deal. That's they said Feyi Daniels married with children and also have his church in different parts of the country. So they are, of course, they will deny it as if he's only the only man of God in town. So he threatened the reporter and all that. But then right now, the advice has been served him. You saw it. I just show it right now. It was dated 16th of December. Yeah. So this story that I'm telling you right now is in Punch of 18th March. It's just, you know, a few days ago. So go check it out. So the advice was sent to him. He denied that he has not seen it. Now, the advice, that's it over there, that it should be just a case. I mean, a case is being instituted against him and all that. So now, what I want to say here is that you see their pattern. Although there's another story I saw that two other ladies are now saying he raped them. Yeah. So we're going to follow every one of them up. I don't know Feyi Daniels. I don't want to know him. All I know is that I hate rapists to my bone marrow, honestly. Now, if a reporter contacted you, Feyi, that okay, this is what this is the story I'm working on, what is your side of the story? And then you hung up the phone. What's the meaning of that? Guilty, right? Okay, if you are not guilty, the Bible that you carry up and down say the righteous will be bold as lion. So if you are righteous, if you are not guilty, why will you hang up the phone? And then the next thing was to threaten the reporter. Look, except you will threaten the CP. I mean, if you can threaten him, you can threaten the Ministry of Justice and everybody, threaten me that I've been on this story. You know, I said this is a developing story. We're going to follow it to the latter. We're going to make sure that this victim gets justice. So for those of you who are Feyi's supporters, I will let you know when the date of court hearing begins, so that you can make your way to the courts for solidarity to go and give him support. Please give this video thumbs up, and then let me know your comment in the comment section. So for those of you as this man of God, you want to bring man of God down, let me tell you this: time has changed. What we are doing, people like me and some others, what we are doing is to create awareness. Thank God for a comment about 2 I saw during the week. People that say, oh, this video helped them. Who know? One particular person said, I don't want to talk much. I know what I'm talking about. Who knows whether he was even planning to go and see him or whatever. I don't know the details. Somebody wrote that this man, he wanted to see him, and he said you should pay in dollars. Man of God. I'm still waiting for Feyi's response to my video where I challenge him, where he said he went naked, this bola dangling, to go and preach the gospel, and he said he won 1,400 people. The village doesn't have a name. Feyi, I'm still challenging you. I belong to IRE, investigative reporters and editors. We are all over the globe. All right, so give me the name of that village in Ivory Coast. I will connect with colleagues in Ivory Coast, and they will go and investigate. They will go and find out, and then I'll come back to this channel and say, hey, we find out it was true. All right, so let's go, Feyi. We are in this together. So you that you are his followers, you that come to my channel to go and write all sorts of things, go to court. I would like to know the date of the court because I'm in contact with the people involved. I'm so excited. I'm in contact with the people involved, so I will know the dates of the proceeding and everything, and I will let you know so that you can go to court and support your bishop in quotes. All right, people, you know I don't like to say love videos. There are other 2 women that are claiming that he did the same to them. I'm going to drop another video on that. Enough of this in the church. This must stop. Can you imagine the number of people that had died in the hands of these fake people? How many had died? How many had had their destiny ruined forever? But what, God knows, what did he do with these people? What occultic thing did he do with did Feyi Daniels do with them? So much that he will do it, they will bleed, they will clean the blood and all that and all that. You saw previous videos. We are on this, and we'll get to the root of this matter. Somebody wrote a comment, and I replied that somebody was trying to liken him to Apostle Paul. The Apostle Paul did worse than this. He killed people. Yes, as Saul, he did. He repented. He became Apostle Paul. He wrote 2/3 of the gospel of the New Testament. Yeah, of the New Testament. He wrote 2/3 of it because he changed, he repented. That's what we are seeing. Feyi Daniels, repent, apologize, restitute your ways. That is when you can say you are doing God's work. God cannot be mocked. Whatever a man sow, he will reap. See you in court. Thank you so much, people. I'm so excited about this development. Get to the root of it. CP, again, no host bad is saying congratulations to you. I've tried. I've said it again. I'm saying it again. We hope this will be a litmus test to your new office, so that we will know your capability and honesty and fearlessness and all that. We are trusting that justice will be served, and justice will be served very, very hot. It's not going to be cold. All right, so I'm going to see you again. If I can't see you live during the week, you know how we do it, and we do faceless if I can't face you like this. Thank you so much, people. Let me know your comments in the comment section, and members of Feyi Georgia, Feyi Daniels family, his supporters, get ready. Let's meet in court. I love you. Bye for now. See ya.